Welcome to Martin's famous potato rolls bakery, where every day is a chance to bake a difference and have fun doing it. At Martin's, we believe in creating a workplace that's not just about making the best potato rolls in the world, but also making it the best place to work.
You want to know why I'm proud to work at Martin's? Not only are our products amazing, the quality of our products has been recognized by so many people. So much so, we've shipped our products all around the world. Now that's something to be proud to be a part of.
The pay and benefits here are fantastic. We even get free bread and rolls each week.
At Martin's, we believe competitive pay and great benefits makes Martin's a truly rewarding place to work.
We even have our very own wellness coaches and health clinic, We Care, where we can receive free medical care and prescriptions.
I'm working summers at Martin's to help pay for college. It's awesome to work for a company that cares about my future.
From our famous potato rolls to our delicious breads, every bite is a testament to the passion and dedication of our employees. Martin's Potato Rolls, the fun bakery where you'll love to work.